Hello, in this video I will explain the concept behind Tafech coffee blending. So we said before, the concept of blending the medium roasted beans with the dark roasted beans is for the aim of striking a balance of textures and flavors, where the medium roasted beans, they add the fruity acidity and the smooth complex flavor, while the dark roasted beans, they add the robust texture and strong full-bodied taste. So back in the 1950s, when my grandfather opened his first store, he realized that different people have different tastes. So he made the two main roasts of the medium and the dark, and he blended according to each customer individualistic preference. So if the customer likes more the acidic taste with the less body, he will put more of the medium beans and vice versa. And that's how he came out with his famous dark blend and medium blend.